You want your appliances to be as cheap to run as possible, so it's crucial to keep your filters clean, as this can make a big difference to how efficient they are. In this video, we'll show you the best way to clean the filters on your cooker hood, washing machine, vacuum cleaner and tumble dryer. If your cooker hood gets clogged up with too much grease, it won't be able to circulate clean air, so you should clean the filters every 2 months. Remove them from the cooker hood and soak them in hot soapy water using a brush or sponge to dislodge the grease. You could also put them through the dishwasher, but keep it clear of any other dishes. Let them dry completely before placing them back in. A build-up of lint and debris in your washing machine filter can make it harder for the drum to drain, and your clothes might come out wet and need a longer cycle or spin. To prevent that from happening, give your filter a clean every 6 to 8 weeks. Disconnect the power and turn off the water supply. Lay a towel and a tray on the floor and remove the access cover. Take the cap off the hose and let the water drain into the tray, then put it back into position. Unscrew the filter, remove any debris, and give it a clean with warm water. A dirty filter can cause a big drop in suction, which makes your vacuum cleaner far less efficient, so it's best to clean your filters once a month. Methods vary from machine to machine, but general best practice is to remove the filter, tap or brush away any excess dust, and then run the filter under warm water. Leave it to dry completely for 24 hours before putting it back in. A tumble dryer that has a clogged filter will find it really hard to get clothes dry, meaning much longer cycles and higher energy bills. If you can, get into the habit of cleaning the filters after every cycle. Remove the lint and run it under water before putting it back. It's much cheaper to clean your filters than buy a new machine, and keeping your appliances spick and span will help them last longer. Plus, you'll reduce your energy usage. If you like household hacks you can trust, click the link to sign up to our weekly newsletter. It's packed with money-saving tips and cleaning tricks and is completely free. Check out the video below to find out the cheapest setting to have your Christmas lights on, and for more video content like this, hit subscribe.